Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see about Golden Eagle algorithm optimized PID controller. This is a Simulink model we developed for applying Golden Eagle algorithm for tuning of PID controller parameter like KP, K and KD. For that we take the simple plant. That plant will be controlled by mix of PID controller, and then we have feedback control. The output of plant going to be compared with the reference. So here we are going to tune this parameter of KPKD by using this golden eagle algorithm. For that you can go to this paper golden eagle optimizer, the nature inspired metaspaced algorithm developed by the following authors. They have developed this golden eagle optimizer, and then this paper is published in the computers and industrial engineering. And also this paper explain about concept of golden eagle optimization. That means this algorithm based upon golden eagle hunting behavior. Based upon that hunting behavior, they created several equations based upon the spiral motion of the golden eagles and prey selection, and then attack and crucius. Several factors they are explained. That based upon the several factor in the hunting behavior of that golden eagle, they created a equation, and then that equation is to for optimization the parameter. In this paper you can see that they tested that algorithm with several benchmark function. This the same algorithm I'm going to use for tuning a PID controller. For that purpose we develop this model. Next I'm going to show the algorithm. Here is a golden eagle optimizer. Here you have to provide the function number, and here you have to provide that which kind of function you are going to optimize. So here that we are going to optimize the KPKD parameter of the PID controller. That function will be created in the case 1. That's why I mention it 1 here. So next you have to fix the factor nothing but the population size and the maximum number of iteration. Here we are going to provide the population size 50 and the maximum number of iteration equal to 100. And also next you have to provide the different factor. This is attack and factor. You have to provide this detail. Based upon this detail, we go for a golden eagle optimizer. That means once this code is executed, this comes to here, and then it will be execute this the code in order to find the optimal value for KP and KD, K and KD. Here you have to provide the function detail, that means number of variable and lower and upper bound for that optimization. And here you have to call that function. Here you have to call that simulation function, not to get the objective function. So here objective function we taken as that means absolute value of the mean of absolute value of error. Here we are going to optimize the error value. That means here we are going to optimize the this error absolute value, absolute of that error you have to optimize. This is going to act as a objective function here. Once I'm going to execute this main function, the optimization process will be started. Here you can see that current iteration number. Currently you can see that the iteration is keep on changing, and also here you can see the variation in the output of that plant, because every iteration is going to be change the KP, K and KD in order to get the better result. That means in order to get the minimum absolute error in the system. After that simulation completed, the value will be stored in the X. This is the optimal value for KP and K and KD for the particular plant. And then this is a objective function value we have got for that this corresponding KP, K and KD. This is around 2.81. And then here you can see that this is the result of optimization, golden eagle optimizer. So for every iteration you can see that the mean absolute error will be decreasing, and then it will be maintained at around 2.6. This is the final value we are get it from that golden eagle optimizer. Now I'm going to simulate this model. So this is a result of this, that mean output of that plant. We can see that it will be settled at 2 seconds. So this is working of golden eagle algorithm for tuning of a PID controller. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.